Eurobox presents H. Poincare's hypothesis solution through overcoming the illusion of the three-dimensional manifold's existence and a three-dimensional sphere, a zero-dimensional space topology, written by Vladimir A. Ghelber. The book of Vladimir A. Ghelber proves the hypothesis of Anri Pouankare without formulas and equations, advancing in its simplicity from the primary source of knowledge, the Euclidean point, to the unique form of existence of our universe. The proof is based on the physical concept of holistic symmetry that the author discovered back in 2013 in the scientific paper Unified Möbius Essence and Integrity, which describes the holistic symmetric space of the sphere and reveals the invariance of the point as a zero-dimensional entity. The integral symmetry, claiming the role of a physical law, acts as a zero-dimensional operator, as a numerical multiplier, factorial, of the compact space of the zero-dimensional sphere, capable of multiplying its manifolds in the process of deformation, division, and connecting them continuously by a strict order, forming a condensed medium, thus providing stability against changes. The integral symmetry is the one that does not change with respect to the transformation of matter in the process of infinite deviations in the cognitive and transformative activity of man, which prove its independence and consequently its uniqueness in the accomplishment of the Millennium task. The procedure of verifying the truth of what has been said is based on the experiment, the results of which are given in the book. The table reflects the formation of connected material numbers based on the integral symmetrical transformation of the microsphere of the Möbius strip, which multiplies during the division, deformation, of the connected manifolds of its sphere. In this way, the author reveals in an accessible way the operationality of zero with the properties of a single coherent, self-contained, compact space without boundary, homeomorphic to the zero-dimensional sphere, which allows the reader to understand the hypothesis of the great French mathematician and to recognize the physical law of the microcosm that saves the universe from decay and annihilation. The world is compact and at the same time infinite and eternal. The book is important not only for classical physics, quantum mechanics, biology, chemistry, but also for the inquisitive reader who wants to understand and see the fundamentals of our universe. The proof of Poincare's hypothesis sets a precedent that will allow scientists to solve the remaining 6 problems of the millennium and finally answer the modern question of what supersymmetry is. H. Poincare's hypothesis solution through overcoming the illusion of the three-dimensional manifold's existence and a three-dimensional sphere, a zero-dimensional space topology, written by Vladimir Ghelber, is now available in bookstores and digital platforms, a publication by Eurobox.